What's up guys, in this short video I'm going to show you one simple but very useful feature in Samsung's smartphone and tablets. So let's start. First I'm going to send few photos from my Galaxy S21 Ultra to my Galaxy Tab S8. Now let's open one of my photos in mountains. There are a few people in the background and I want to get rid of them and make my photo looks better. First, tap Edit button. Now hit 3 dots and open Object Eraser. Next, mark the object that you want to erase and press Erase. The object has been erased and this looks very good. You can also bring back the object that you have erased if you want with 2 arrows. Let's get rid of more objects. All people from this picture has been erased and this looks very nice. To be honest, I'm shocked how well this feature works. You can also save this photo by hitting Done button. The same thing can also be done on Galaxy smartphones. Do the same thing on my phone. So first press Edit, then 3 dots, next Object Eraser and mark all objects that you want to erase. The final result is really impressive. Unfortunately, this feature is only available on more expensive Galaxy smartphones. Here is my Galaxy A32 running One UI 5 and Android 13 on top of it, but this feature is missing on this phone. Hope you'll find this tutorial useful and see you in the next one. Peace.